Wow.
Here we are on Merced New Year. A lot of people today.
Did you know you
So what? Best? A little later. We got time a little later.
Thank you, everybody. This is a wonderful tradition. One of my
event.
favorite days in Merced is being here and being a part of this. We're doing it for years, and it's great to be here. And love the tradition, love the culture, and this is a wonderful opportunity to be here and celebrate.
Let's go look and see what they're doing. Let's go look at the food vendor and see how many people are there.
Oh no, because I didn't have the right.
I smell food.
Right there.
More than close.
What's the just table?
Oh yeah.
Clothes. All grandma smells the same. Yeah, it does. The fruit over here. You want meatball? I don't know if they sell meatball here. We'll go check. Oh, free hats. yeah, this is where they did the funeral. Huh? There's actually more vendors over here, huh? Well, look at the food vendor. There's only 2 people. Oh, they do. Sports.
Yeah, way more vendors.
This is the party. Oh, this is the line right here. You see the line? It curved all the way back here. It's crazy, huh? This is it. Yeah, that's the sports. This is the sports section. Oh! Yeah? What do they have over here? Oh, they might get kidnapped. Oh, that must be a station there. No, that's a bathroom. Oh wait, actually.
Second time that they saw special role right now that's what's here in your codes, in your culture, in your tradition. Skyhawk dance. We call it the Skyhawk Hmong dance. Now we're going to try it.
Oh, that's all of them. Easy drinks.
I wanted to like buy
Toys. You want to buy some toys? See, I need to record all these people that recorded me. So we can all record each other. Oh, local pop is the ball section. Lotion work. Oh, pig raffle.
I want to get the girls this outfit.
What?
Purple and green.
What are you trying to get?
Outfit. For the girls.
They won't wear it.
They would. They're off the shoulder. Looks like they're going to like one of those old, you know, Victorian.
Oh, tao lại nó mỏ. Tại cái teo đó tao lại nó mỏ. Cái pop tao mà nó. Think of it. It's almost like a roller coaster ride. Just for food. It's $15 a plate. Inflation no joke. Line all the way back there. Kind of died down over here a little bit. Not as bad. Waiting for an egg roll right now.
I'm so tempted to buy something. Yeah. That's why you take.
Oh, I didn't know.
What's going on over there? Oh. Voltage?
Lúc trước này cái lúc thấy của nó này nó sẽ là tiền chơi đó chỉ là hai đó chia là hai tàu là không có là không tàu được cái số nó đấy à cái chỗ này cho này sẽ là cái sẽ là tiền từ này à